Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to give you my top 3 tools that I use to make my life easier on FBA books. First of all, I would like to say that the 3 tools that I will be going through today can be used over different FBA uses. So whether you do private label, whether you do books, I mean, as you know, I mainly do books, but it can be used for a mixture of different things, as you'll see along the way. If you're not here for just books, then don't tune out now, because this might be relevant to you as well. Right, okay, so let's start at tool number 1. ScanLister has been an absolute godsend to me. I cannot begin to tell you how many hours of my life ScanLister has saved. So someone introduced me to ScanLister about 9 months ago now, and I've never sent anything to Amazon without using it since. Basically, I would say that it takes all of the hassle out of sending your books into Amazon, and it works with any products, which is a bonus. So not just books. Effectively, it skips a lot of the boring parts out of Amazon's workflow, which is also quite lengthy to get your products from A to B into their warehouses, which I really like. Saves you a lot of time, saves you a lot of effort, and it's done under one handy, neat piece of software. It essentially allows you to send either hundreds or thousands of books, media, or anything else that you need to send into Amazon in one go through one piece of software. So it allows you to add them to your Amazon inventory, competitively price them, and get them shipped away to Amazon. It saves hours and hours of time. Why would you not use ScanLister? So ScanLister works on Amazon UK, it works on all the EU Amazon marketplaces and on Amazon US. So pretty much no matter where you're watching from, ScanLister is a tool that you can pick up and have a look at. They do have their own YouTube channel, which I will link below. There's plenty of tutorial videos on how to use it, why you should use it, and I have actually featured it in one of my videos before, which I will also link here, I don't know, somewhere on the screen. So cost-wise, it costs about $24 a month, which is about £18.50 a month here in the UK. For £18.50 a month, saving me tens and tens of hours of time, absolutely worth it. If it saves you 2 hours of your time, you've made your money back there, I would say. However, for $299, they do offer a lifetime subscription, which a few months into my subscription I did take, as it would save me tons of money along the way. And that works out at about £230. They do offer a 14-day free trial, which I would say go, try it, see what you think. If you like it, pay for it for a month. There's no contracts or anything involved, so you can cancel at any time. And if it does save you hours and you think it is something that you're going to use throughout the years or even throughout the year, then I would go out and purchase the lifetime subscription upgrade to save yourself a bit of money. So whilst I'm on the topic of ScanLister, another gadget that I would go out and get would be a USB barcode scanner. Goes hand in hand with ScanLister, and it'll again save you even more time, even more effort. I've got one, I think it costs about £15–20 on Amazon. I'll pop a link in the description below so you can go and grab one of those too. So my second tool that I want to go through is Scoutly, which is formerly known as FBAScan. Essentially, it's a scanning app that allows you to use it out on the field, whether it's doing retail arbitrage, because it doesn't just work on books. So whether you're out in a charity shop, whether you're out scanning books, you're in Asda, Tesco, Sainsbury's, whatever, trying to find some retail arbitrage, then you'll be able to use it on pretty much any product. And in real time, you'll be able to scan it on an app, and it'll tell you exactly how much you'll be able to get for it, how much minus fees, if it's worth buying. So essentially what it's doing is it's going to say buy it or not buy it, or at least give you the information in real quick time to make that decision on whether you're going to buy this product or whether you're not. So the app works on Android and on iPhone, so no matter what platform you're on, you're going to be able to get access to this tool on your mobile phone. And again, it works on Amazon UK and Amazon US platforms and marketplaces. I would say that they are slightly biased towards the US marketplace, as it has a lot more features that you can go into more depth with, such as a downloadable database that you can download to your phone, which unfortunately you can't get in the UK yet. However, I do think that they may be working on that. However, it would obviously be a bit of extra cost. So I currently use the Lite subscription, which I pay $9.95 a month for, which is about £7.65, something like that. So again, to say I use this app every single day, every time I go out sourcing, and it basically tells me what I need to buy, what I don't, what profits I'm going to make on it in real time, £7.65. like, why haven't you bought this already? I did pay $100 for the yearly subscription just because it saves you about 2 months on the subscription fee. So again, it works out about £77, something like that. And if you're interested in using the tool long term, then that's a great option to go down. So it is a tool that you can cancel at any time, so there's absolutely no risk. You can try it if you like it, great. If you don't, find something else or continue doing it however you're doing it at the moment, whether that's by the Amazon Seller app, which is completely fine, but Scoutly gives you the tools to go a bit more further in depth and make a more refined decision on whether you're going to buy the item or not, which ultimately leads to more profit. So I'll pop a link in the description below on where you can go ahead and get a bit more information on Scoutly, and where you can go ahead and buy it, subscribe to it, give it a trial. Let me know what you think in the comment section below as well if you do give it a go. So my third tool is FreeAgent. FreeAgent is what I use for my accounting software, and at this point I have tried quite a few accounting softwares, I'm not going to lie. When you're using Amazon FBA, when you're using eBay, all the e-commerce platforms, you want something that's going to integrate everything nicely. Save you a lot of time. This time that you save on accounting is time that you can spend more wisely outsourcing, building your business, and ultimately making those profits go up. FreeAgent is really, really affordable as well. I have trialed some softwares that are a lot more expensive. I've trialed some that are free. I've trialed some that are a bit cheaper than FreeAgent. And all in all, it's the one that I keep coming back to. It's the one that I've used solidly now for the last 12 months or so, and I really would recommend giving them a go. They do have a 30-day free trial, which is absolutely no obligation at all, so you've got nothing to lose. Go and give it a go. I'll pop a link in the description below to FreeAgent as well, so you can go give that a try. In terms of pricing, they are quite good. I do have it wrote down here. So if you are a sole trader, it's £9.50 a month plus VAT for the first 6 months, and then £19 a month plus VAT after. And if you're a limited company, then it's £14.50 a month plus VAT for 6 months, and then £29 a month plus VAT after that, which, to be fair, is about average. And if it saves you that time that you're going to go out and make even more money with, then it's an absolute bonus. Thank you very much for tuning into the video today. I hope these 3 tools are going to save you a lot of money, a lot of time, and ultimately make you even more money, because that's what we're all about here. If you've got any questions or anything about the 3 tools that I've gone through, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and please subscribe. It would really, really help me out, as I am trying to get to 1,200 subscribers in the next couple of months. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll catch you later. Bye.